everyone and welcome to Maryland Styles. Today I'm going to show you how to bake a really delicious chicken with pistachios and basil. I am using Hamora Farms free-range premium chicken and I really love this. I've been using this for many years now and I buy it because it's got no hormones, no antibiotics, and no chemicals, which can really be bad for your body. I make sure that I feed my children and my family only the best, so I buy free-range or organic chicken and even eggs. Okay, the first step is to make the coating of the chicken or the batter of the chicken, and it's gonna be so yummy because the ingredients in itself, man, they're so delicious. Butter, who doesn't love butter? We all like butter. I'm going to put about half a bar of butter, and then we need some garlic, about 7 cloves of garlic, fresh basil, mint leaves, and pistachios. We also need some olive oil. Okay, so if you have a blender, you can use the blender. If you have a food processor, even better. I don't have a food processor, so I'm just going to use the blender. We are going to do this first. Put half the bar of butter into the food processor and about half a cup to 3/4 cup of olive oil. Then I'm going to add all the basil leaves, fresh basil, the garlic, and some pistachio nuts peeled. Take the shell away. The pesto or the coating of the chicken is done, I'm gonna squeeze in some lemon, and I'm also gonna be adding some lemon rind. I'm gonna be grating the lemon later on for even more citrus and tangy flavor. So it's done now, and it's actually perfect. The consistency is perfect, and that's what I'm hoping to achieve. Don't blend it so that it's very smooth. We want it to be a little bit chunky. So after you prepare the batter or the pesto for the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the veggies that will go as a side dish. So I have fresh asparagus and I love this. I love the flavor of asparagus. I am just gonna go ahead and chop off the ends because those are the tough parts, and we discard this. We don't need this. I also have potatoes. You're gonna want to scrub the potatoes really well with I use baking soda and running water to clean them. Then I also have radish. Radish is super good, and it just adds color. It's in between a cucumber and a potato, and I love the consistency, especially when you bake it. Stuff the chicken with a lemon. So remember the pesto that we made? We are gonna coat the chicken with the pesto. And you kind of actually want to get it inside the skin